Alright, I can't really see who bodied who there in the rock, paper, scissors. Alright, I think, oh, are they going FD, round 1? Okay. I think my boy Darby's going Falco. Alright, here we go. Opening right up with these dares. Ooh. I don't know. This one's gonna be close. Both these characters seem like very devoted people. I thought Monger played Falco though. This is kind of strange. Looking like Baghdad with these lasers though. And he tries to ramen noodles, but Darby's too quick, man. Or should I say dick cheese? Yeah, he's dick cheese this tournament. The battle for center stage continues, but I think Darby's got it right now. Oh, Monger takes it. And now it's just back to the fight. The struggle, but the up smash off of the tech read. Damn, this guy's underestimated this guy. I've never met this guy before, so he's kicking booty right now. Alright, let's see. We got Darby following up. Ooh, weird stuff with that air dodge. Air dodges are so weird in this game. It's just like you fly. I don't understand that. Oh, he tries to read him with the forward smash, but alas. Okay, right now, I've noticed that Monger keeps going back to top platform to get above Falco, which I don't know how smart that is because I don't play spaces. But if it's working, dude. So, we got Darby right now, dash attacking, but he keeps getting grabbed, so I don't know what's going to go on here. Oh, the bear. Flip him with the laser, the forward, the dash attack. Oh, he misses the bear, but he gets the second one when he jumps out his shield. So Darby's at a nice 80. That's kill. Like, I mean, Falco Zero's kill for Falco, considering how stupid his recovery is. Wow, that was clean. That was real clean. So full stock lead for Monger. That's pretty rough stuff right now. It seems that like what's really hanging up Darby right now is that shield. He just keeps getting clipped a little bit, and Monger knows how to punish pretty aptly. He just needs to get something going right now because Monger keeps like waiting back for him to do something, and that's really hurting Darby's aggro style. But right here, Alright, so it looks like this might be the stock in this. Oh no, he doesn't close it out. But the bears are so good, dude. Darby's got a little bit of a deficit to make up. This is how. Oh, the Darby special. The Darby special right there. I was just talking to him about the Darby special, and he just let it loose. Alright, let's see. Still, we got a rough fight for the center right now. This is a pretty even match, even though most of the stocks seem to be being taken by Monger. Both of them really are just whacking each other. It's just that Monger's able to close things out better than Darby is right now. Oh, and this looks like this could be the game. Oh, nope. Drops the edge guard, lets him back. Oh, he doesn't read it. He techs in, but gangster laser. Tech input, I guess. Man, really slick movement from Monger. It's kind of impressive. I don't know this guy's name. I keep saying Darby. Oh, 111. It can happen. Percents are nothing, dude. Just don't get like up smash. He's gonna be fishing for those kills. You gotta play it safe. Oh, this is how it gets started. Dude, I was just talking about closing that deficit, and it started. Oh, here it comes. Oh my god, Darby, chill out, yo. Oh, that's the game though. I guarantee both of them are out of deodorant right now after that last stop. Jeez, he was getting it going. Alright. But we're going to game 2. Run backs to FD. I mean, wait, no, they were just about for going the same. Alright, FD, that's a pretty good stage for both characters right now. I think personally, as me, if I were playing Falco, which I don't that often, I would enjoy FD, just because you can just get things going. Alright, that's cute. That's real cute. Oh, he gets. Oh, the special. No, he just knows. He reads their mind and he just forward smashes them. It's his specialty. Let's see. Let's see what we can pull off here. Well, Monger had crazy good control of the last game. It looks like Darby is just dominating the stage right now. Oh my, ooh, the fair with the Jigglypuff weirdness. I don't even understand it, but let's see. No, ooh, he's dodged too. Ooh, he just keeps reading and reading with that forward smash. Oh, he makes it back. I thought he was dead after that. This gods were shining. Oh, is that another? Oh no. Ooh, and he takes the stock, but he's got a good 108 on him right now. Let's see if Monger can come back from this little deficit he's got to pick up. Ooh, oh, that's dead. Oh, that's dead. Oh no, he's got good DI. He's got good DI. He knows what to do. Oh, he's trying to bait him over. He knows what he's doing. Darby's, ooh, dumpstered. This is like the opposite of last game, where Darby was at 2 stocks and Monger was at 3 with a 0. Now it's just the other way around. Let's see what happens. Ooh, that was real close right there. Oh my gosh, Darby is putting in work right now. Still at 0. Monger's at 59, but Monger's trying to get stuff started. He gets a good shine. Oh, that one laser. PM or nah. Monger's having trouble getting those re-2s really getting in the profile stage right now. It's the inverse. Okay, Darby is just being... Alright, 3 stocks to 1. This is the exact same situation Darby was in. Can Monger do the inverse and pull it back? This is how it gets started. The bear, yeah, that'll do it. You can take those. If Monger's going to need to pull this back, he needs to just really make safer approaches. Ooh, that was very dangerous. The forward smash into down air, but he shielded it the last moment. Okay, alright, Monger is putting in good work right now. Can Darby's losing his steam a little bit, I think. Oh, jeez, this is bad news for Darby if he just keeps this up. Darby's got to really hold together. Oh, nice. Jeez. Oh, in the SD, you could feel the pain. Look into his eyes and you see it. Oh. I think I have a game to play right now. I'm going to hand this off to him. Alright, yeah. Peace out, stream. I wish I could continue commentating this.
Alright, jump in for the voiceover for this match. Can't say I'm great at it, but we'll see what we can do. So Fox Falco, classic in this game. Both rocking the blue skin. Falco blue's pretty tight. I love the white jacket. Fox, though, is just murky purple. Not really feeling it. But if I remember correctly, this is Game 3. Game 1 was win for the Fox on Battlefield. Game 2 was win for Darby's Falco and FD. And here we go with what I consider an even stage for these two. Maybe Falco might have a slight edge in neutral, but the Fox up smashes finished the job pretty well. Falco on the edge. Doesn't cover it. Gets the grab, the shine. Doesn't get far. Windmill fights. Always a bit hectic considering you never know when a platform is going to become tangible for you or not. Oh, jumps! Doing the jumping laser right in front of him is not the best idea. But it's alright. A few more stocks. Oh, it's not the way you want to do it. And drill shines. One frame. It's all you need to just reset the entire situation, get yourself the combo started. Yep, fishing for the bear, gets it. Here we go, up on the edge. Fox. Very close to that juicy percent for Falco. Alright, there he is. Up till the shine. Oh, there we go. Oh, he techs it in. Come on. Bears forcing him off. Gets the shine. Monger's not really being able to follow up with his edge guards. I feel like he might be being a bit too passive, not going for those deeper bears. Because Fox can do that. He has, his coverage is pretty decent. Falco's pretty exposed off the edge. And if you can force him to do Firebird, it's just go off and do your bidding. I like that side B. Gets him out of that situation. These lasers. Oh, the shield pressure. Oh, come on, get that grab. Throwing out hits, gets that bear. This is it. This is a winner stock for Monger. What can he do against Darby? Oh, we're getting pit fight? Aw, come on. Come on, you know you wanna. What's wrong with infinites from Fox? Go. Oh, come on, you have smash there. Alright, drilling down. Oh, pit fight begins. And as soon as it starts, it ends. Going on the edge. Getting that QQ on. Is it there? Yep. Up smash makes sense. Giving him the edge all to himself. Do not approve. You can't let Falco be comfortable recovering. That's his weakness. He's great on stage, but as soon as he's lost his stage control, he should be done. He should be dead. Gets the bear. Lasers. Right there, might just be nerves. And this looks like, oh. Nice, you can up smash, oh. And, oh, with the flutter hush, probably wanted the dare there. And then the play to Falco, no matter what grabs you get, you're only gonna get at the most 2 strings in. It's the weak bear, not enough. Not gonna get. Oh, he gets sacrified. Okay, so this is absolutely doable. A volatile matchup. And. Oh, he makes it back. Oh, I like that second. Alright. What do you got? Getting these grabs. Smaller strings, but there's something. Shine out there. That'll finish the job. Well, good games on both sides. How are we heading out?